Namaskar, Jai Shri Krishna. Esteeming text 41 and text 42 of chapter 6 Jnana Yoga of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Text 41. Prapya punya krutam lokanushi tava shashra vatiha samaha shuchi nama shrimatama dehe yoga bhrashto abhijayate. The unsuccessful yogi, after many years of enjoyment on the planets of the pious living entities, is born into a family of righteous people or into a family of rich aristocracy. The unsuccessful yogis are divided into two classes. One is fallen after very little progress and one is fallen after long practice of yoga. The yogi who falls after a short period of practice goes to the higher planets where pious living entities are allowed to enter. After prolonged life there, one is sent back again to this planet to take birth in the family of a righteous Brahmana or Vaishnava or of aristocratic merchants. The real purpose of yoga practice is to achieve the highest perfection of Krishna's consciousness as explained in the last verse of this chapter. But those who do not persevere to such an extent and who fail because of material allurements are allowed by the grace of the Lord to make full utilization of their material propensities. And after that they are given opportunities to live prosperous lives in righteous or aristocratic families. Those who are born in such families may take advantage of the facilities and try to elevate themselves to full Krishna's consciousness. Text 42. Athva yogina meva kule bhavati dhimatama etadadhi durlabhataram loke janma yadi drushyam. Or if unsuccessful after long practice of yoga, he takes his birth in the family of transcendentalists who are surely great in wisdom. Certainly such a birth is rare in this world. Birth in a family of yogis or transcendentalists, those with great wisdom, is praised herein because the child born in such a family receives a spiritual impetus from the very beginning of his life. It is especially the case in the Acharya or Goswami families. Such families are very learned and devoted by tradition and training, and thus they become spiritual masters. In India there are many such Acharya families, but they have now degenerated due to insufficient education and training. By the grace of the Lord, there are still families that foster transcendentalists generation after generation. It is certainly very fortunate to take birth in such families. Fortunately, both are spiritual masters. Om Vishnupada Shri Srimad Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Maharaj and Swami Prabhupada had the opportunity to take birth in such families by the grace of the Lord, and both of them were trained in the devotional service of the Lord from the very beginning of their life. Later on, they met by the order of the transcendental system. Thank you.